Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel. My name is Bining Vitali. Kia ora from New Zealand. Today is Wednesday, it's my day off and it's the end of the day and it's overcast at the moment. It is a little bit cold, but it's not winter anymore. It's almost, actually it's a spring. So today I just want to share with you or to show you this particular fruit called Feigoa. I just can't remember the English terms of this fruit, and we have one, just a small tree, but it could get a really big tree. And even though this tree, Feigoa tree, is small, but when it's started to fruit, there's a lot. I mean, they don't ripe. They don't go ripe the fruits all at once, and the only way you can know that it's ripe is when it started to falling off from the tree into the ground. So today I'm gonna show you the flowers and the buds. It's just started, so it's not fruit yet, it's just babies. So before I eat it, come on, please, air. I hope there's no bugs in it. It's nice. It's sweet. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel. Today is April 2, Good Friday, and I'm not working, of course, because it's holiday. And today I decided to finish off my vlog about my garden outside. The last time I vlogged was November, when it was still flowering. So I'm gonna put that vlog together. Anyway, I'm going to harvest my Feigoa today because it's all over the place. So guys, let's go. I got this. My Feigoa is just a small Feigoa tree. It's a little bit chilly today. It's April, so yeah, that's my Feigoa trees. As you can see, just small one. So before that was just flowers, and now it's fruits. But this one is not ready yet, and all that stuff. Got more. This one's just small. This is Feigoa. So there's a lot of fruits this year. As you can see in here. Because the Feigoa, when they're ready, they just pull off the branches and down to the ground. So it's time to so hot. So when I pick the Feigoa fruits off the ground, I have to make sure that they are edible, because some of them it's been on the ground for a long time and it's been exposed to the sun too long, so it might give you a tummy ache. So I have to be careful that the Feigoa fruits I'm gonna picking it up are newly dropped.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I knew it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control.